Welcome back to the PBS YouTube channel. I'm Lee, nice to see you. Chris has been doing some buying. Late one night messaging me, we were discussing new project cars, as you do. And he had an idea, I'll show you the message here. And then you'll see how quickly his mind changed. And then the next day, this was bought. It's a funny looking Mercedes, isn't it? Now, unless it's a car from the Fast and the Furious, which it's not. It's missing a caliper or two on the front, isn't it? So, oh no, hang on. We've got one on this side. We've got one Brembo. God knows where the other side's gone. There's also something else missing as well. No engine. Let's go and ask Chris. Let's go find him. I'm in the Clio today. I love that thing, such a good Bebo blaster. Can't put the music on, but I can sing it. You spin me right round, baby, right round. What's happening? Ready? I'm ready.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Right, EG update. We've been grinding shit off the bottom of this thing for weeks. It's a horrible job. Not that today. Cages in by SW, you know that. Seat rails I've done, welded those in. Dropped the engine and box out of the old girl yesterday to get the engine mount off because this must have been K-swapped, this shell. Hello DJI, I'm over here. This must be K-swapped, so I've had to cut the mount off the other one and put that back in. Measure twice, don't put it in the wrong place. Literally pretty much ready for priming and getting ready for paint now. Just got some holes to bung up, get all the little stickers on, the little silver stickers, stop water coming everywhere. But yeah, it's been a long job getting to this point. You don't realise how much work there is in a shell, especially if you want to make it nice, especially an old 30-year-old rusty Honda. So yeah, we're about to get paint and then get it built back up. Really want to get back into it. So yeah, would have been last week at Racing Hondas, looking at the lap times, would have been right up there in Class B. So yeah, I want to get it back on the road and racing again before the end of the year and see if she's as fast as she was first time out. So yeah, that's that job that we're trying to get boxed off. And gone and made myself some more work, so we're going to have a look at that now. Just going to push it back a bit. That's one of your tricks, that's one of your things. You might end up on YouTube here, you know, John. Right, so we bought another project car. As Lee was telling me, we were thinking about next things to do. So I tried to buy this car a few years ago, but was unsuccessful. So I've got it from a guy called Ricky Coomber, so Coomber with a B, unlike the proper spelling of mine. He wanted a TCR car back in 2016-17 to do 24-hour racing Caventic, which is what they did him and a couple of other guys. There wasn't one available, so they decided to build one. So pretty much, it's that higher spec. It's as if, you know, JAS had built it. The spec is unreal. So the cage is T45 custom cages. Custom wiring loom, everything that would have gone into a TCR car has gone into this. When they started racing it, shortly after that, the class structure changed and then they were just unable to be competitive and reliable because they needed to run too much power. The K20C1 at that point was really, really new and hadn't been developed very much, so there was not much knowledge about how to get more reliable power out of it. And they struggled, so they sort of parked the project and bought I think they've got an Audi TCR car for the job and did it like that. So it's sort of one of them projects that I think they meant to go back to. and then eventually they've decided to let it go. So it is in bits. It's no engine in it, no gearbox. It's calipers down here. For some reason, must have been took it off. Caliper is there. So we've got engine and gearbox. We're just going to put a standard H pattern gearbox in it. It did run a SAD-F before, so we could go back to a SAD-F gearbox, but I think it's a lot of aggro, and also it takes us out of a lot of classes. If you're running a standard H pattern, we can do a lot more classes, or we don't get a penalty for having a sequential. A lot of the times, 750 road sports, you get like an MSV track day trophy. You get a time penalty for having a sequential gearbox. So you can get up to 30% extra pit stop time, which is such a lot. It's not that much faster. It might be more reliable, but it's not that much faster. So we're going to go standard H pattern gearbox. Ben Sharp will build us a gearbox for that. Put it back together. Hopefully we can get it going.
What colour?
Saying the same. Michael Longman at Longman Wiring, he's sorted us out. He originally wired the car, so he's got us an ECU. The ECU is missing. We need a dash, so it's an AIM MXG, the login version. Anyone got one of them for sale? We need one of those. It's got an ATL tank, 120 litres tank, and yeah, until we get it more stuff chucked at it. I think we've got everything pretty much until we start putting it back together.
Soon find out, won't we?
We'll soon find out, yeah. And it sounds easy, but I know there'll be issues along the way. But yeah, the spec of the car is fantastic, and obviously it's a Honda, so that suits me. The build quality is amazing. Just even this pipe work on here is, you know what I mean, like we've got bigger tanks in the Golf and stuff, but you know what I mean, that the cost of doing that just in that way just is astronomical. Yeah, the proper ones as well, like so yeah. No, so excited to get it going. And apparently there's some spicy upgrades for the K20C1 now, so 4 piston are running them reliably at 500 horsepower all the time now. So we'll put the standard engine in, and then we've got a standard engine coming, a new one, and a used engine, which I think they did Barcelona. And this car actually been shipped around the world. It was raced in Dubai and then raced in Barcelona. They used to do 24-hour racing with it. It's done 2 races. So the used engine will probably strip that and get rebuilt, probably get it sleeved, rods, pistons, try and make a bit more power. And for a start, we'll run the new engine in standard format and have a play with that, and then go for some power upgrades later. So we'll keep you informed.
Your turn, hopping.
I won't fit in here.
Going to be some car, that, isn't it, when it's all put back together? Can't wait to see that out and about. The Golf needs a dust off as well, doesn't it? Look at the kip of this. Needs a bit of love, doesn't it? Who's going to come and give it a wash? If you need any advice on brake pads, give us a shout. Social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the usuals. Drop us a comment below. Like, subscribe, and just keep following us for more content. See you soon, guys.
Are you the engine?
I'm the engine, mate. I'm in fucking Brooklyn.
Are you opening it?
Right, I'll just pop up with it.
That's it.
I knew that was coming.
Oh, you have a look at it, darling.
I knew it.
Son.
It's sticky, this one.
You have to lift it. You'll have to lift it level, dead level.
I'll try my best. And action.
To be honest, when you were doing that video, what was that video he popped out about?
The 6 series on.
No,
I've done it all of them.
Yeah, no, the little car you were giving away.
Oh, the Twingo?
Yeah.